She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift and hope that you'll take it.
Good morning, Saturday morning. First time that it's above 15 degrees since I've been up here in the Berg. It was just over 16 degrees outside this morning. I spoke too soon. Then it was all over. Lasted about 20 minutes. Hell yeah, that's pretty small. A couple of ones that fell was at least half the size of a golf ball. Good morning, Sunday morning. We had a massive hailstorm yesterday. We had some rain during the night. But now, a couple of clouds around, but seems to be, if it could be, a lovely day. Good morning, Monday morning. Oh, missed you on the runway. And not much colour in the sky. And this morning, Piet, my vrou, was up before the chickens. They started calling at about 4:15 already. And then the baboon started barking in the on the mountains, and the chickens only waking up now. Even the neighbors' chickens are only starting now. Good morning, Tuesday morning. Lots of rain last night until early hours this morning. It's 100% overcast now, but not raining yet, so I don't know what's going to happen later. And today is day 2. Move on again. I'm going to Kotso Caravan Park, just down the road, about 4 kilometers down the road. Going there for a couple of days. I've arrived at Kotso Caravan Park. For now, this is going to be my view for today and tonight. I might change. Again, there's a big variety of views around here. Big open area. Lots of parking spots here. Don't you like the camera? Don't you like the camera? Hmm? Lots of rumbling coming from that side. So I don't know if that's a big storm brewing. Quite a bit of rumbling. Good morning, Wednesday morning. Kotso camping site. Absolutely quiet morning. A couple of birds in the trees. Chickens are waking up. But last night was unbelievable. The clouds were flaming red. A lot more water than when I was here last time. Good morning, Thursday morning. Really grey morning. Been raining all of yesterday afternoon through the night, and still a fine drizzle at the moment. And the chickens are waking up. Good morning, Friday morning. 100% overcast, not too cold, and at least it's not raining like it was yesterday. It rained quite a bit yesterday, but it's Friday. Cheers. Good morning, Saturday morning. We had quite a bit of rain yesterday, late afternoon, and it looks like clear skies again this morning. And today, time to return home. I'll be packing up just now and then go for coffee by Musa here by the river, and then head home and go and see Kevin. Kevin is flying back.